Alright, I went to go get my 2006 Mazda 6 inspected, and the only thing it failed for was the bearing in the rear. And they are right. It does need replaced, but I cannot believe that's the only thing they found wrong. So let's get this thing changed out so we can get our sticker. But as you guys can see, hopefully you can hear that. There is quite a wobble in there. So let's get that replaced and see what we can do. So we got to get the caliper off and just kind of take the whole thing off. Let's see. It should be okay. These are 14s, so I'm going to take these off right here. There's that one coming. If your rotor is set to come off like this, you can get away with what I'm about to do. Otherwise, you're going to have to need a socket with a extension. There we go. There. Sure, we'll just leave that. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get you guys down here. Okay. You can feel that movement right in there. So that's gonna have to come out. So we gotta get this dust cover off. I think this was replaced once before with an eBay special. You can see I've got some little kind of marks here on this cap. Alright, looked like it did a pretty good job keeping things out. Still in pretty good shape. Okay. Alright, so this gets bent down to kind of keep everything in place, so we're going to try and bend it back up. Alright. Now let's go get a big socket and see if we can get this off of here. It might work. I think it'll work. There it goes. Nice. Alright. And look at that. Comes right on off. Piece of cake. Couldn't be easier. I think when I had taken this off before, you can see the score mark there when I had to cut the race off. I think sometimes the inner race can get stuck in there and you got to find a way to get it off. But not too bad. I mean, it all looks pretty clean. So I'll hit it with some brake clean, and let's get the new one, get it on there. This is our speed sensor. Time to put those dust covers on, but we're not. Tear into it. Here's the part number if you guys need it. Right there. There you go. Brand new guy, nice and shiny. Comes with the gear for the speed sensor. You can match it up. Where did I put the old one? Here's the old one. Old nasty one there. Alright. See him like that. There we go. Perfect. Looks like the race kind of popped out. But once it's in there, it should be nice and tight. And so that nut is going to be the key to making sure it stays nice and tight. Okay. Okay, now this is supposed to torque down to like 173 foot-pounds. All right, so my torque wrench only goes up to 150. This goes to 173. So we're just gonna zip it on here with this. Like I said, I replaced this maybe 10 years ago. So it lasted me 10 years under the torque that this did. So I think that's okay. I think that's pretty good. The marks are almost there. Let's knock this back down. Okay. Moves good, and there is nothing there. No movement. I think we're set to go. I'm going to put some anti-seize on here. These were coming off a little hard. Let me try and get some on here as well. Let's get tired. We gotta get this cap on here. Don't forget that. And now the wobble test. No more wobble. We're good. Brakes off. Okay, guys. I tell you, these are pretty easy to do. That big socket, you might have to rent one from Advanced or AutoZone if you don't have it. But other than that, this is a pretty easy job. You know, in case that race gets stuck on there, you might have to come up with creative ways to get it off. But in our case, this worked out pretty easy. So hopefully we can go get our sticker. So like, comment, subscribe. Hope this helps you guys get underway. And we'll do something else next time. Unbelievable, it passed. I can't believe it.